Hey guys, Rohan here, and today we are going to look at a video by Minute Physics. How do we know black holes exist? And black holes, as you know, is considered as a supergravity place. When stars die, all the mass accumulates together. The gravity is supposed to become very huge, and that's we consider black hole because even the light, sunlight, is gets trapped in the black hole. The gravity is so strong that even the light cannot escape from it. And as you know, we can only see objects because of the light, reflection of the light. So if the light is not being reflected, the light is not coming from the place of the black hole, we cannot see it. So that's why the black hole is dark. So today we are going to watch a video by Minute Physics exploring the concept, how do we even know that black holes exist? Okay, we'll just watch the video and see if we can better at some explanation from them. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
If you've heard only one thing about black holes, it's probably that once inside a black hole's event horizon, nothing, not even light, can escape. At
Correct.
which point it's
As I told
natural to
you.
wonder, if nothing can escape a black hole, how could we ever observe them? How do we even know they exist?
Nice
First,
question.
only things inside the event horizon are stuck. Black holes also gravitationally pull on stuff outside their event horizons, and by looking at that stuff, we can get a really good sense that there's a black hole nearby.
Interesting.
For example, lots and lots of stars orbit in pairs, but we also see stars orbiting things that aren't normal stars, but instead do things like emit crazy amounts of X-rays. And X-rays in space often come from dust and gas that gets superheated while spiraling into a very dense, very heavy object. Anyway,
Going
by
too
figuring
fast,
out
huh?
the mass and orbital characteristics of the stars whose partners emit X-rays, we can determine how heavy the partners are. Some partners are lightweight enough to be neutron stars, but neutron stars can only get so big before they collapse in on themselves. Theoretical
that's it.
calculations put...
That's it. We're stopping from at here. Okay, I'm not going to watch the whole video. I'll watch it in my spare time. But we get the gist of the video. How do we know the black holes exist? The simple concept we are explaining over here is that if you take a black hole, it has got a supergravity. Like I told you, when the sunlight can't escape. So if we can't see it, how do we observe it that it exists? But the trick here is not to observe the black hole, but the particles around the black hole, because black hole has an impact around objects also. For example, consider this is a black hole and there are like 5 objects here. Okay, we know the gravitational pull and the properties of each of the particles, so we can observe them and see if there is a deviation. If there is a deviation, for example, if these two particles are supposed to move like 5 meter and 10 meter, but instead it moved 6 meter and 11 meter. So what would be the obvious reason for that? The reason would be that black hole is affecting them. If not black hole, then something is affecting them. But we have an idea that here is probably a black hole. So if we see the surrounding and we observe the X-rays, X-ray particles, the distance deviation or the gravity pull of the different particles, we can relate that there is some more gravitational pull acting on it. And if we cannot see anything which could be the cause of it, then probably it would be the black hole. So they are going in this direction. There's some heavy maths involved, but the basic gist of this is this. So yeah, that's a pretty damn good explanation. So if you were wondering how the black holes exist, how do we know, we just need to observe the surrounding area, because we know everything about the surrounding area. So if there's any deviation, if there is more gravitational pull, more light coming out or something weird, there has to be an explanation for that, and that probably will be the explanation given by the existence of a black hole which is acting on it. Okay, till next video, take care.